What we finna do, y'all?
Trying to clean his car.
Try to clean the car up. Baba, we finna wash the car?
Yeah.
You got your monies in your hand?
Wash the car.
Come walk with me, yeah. We the new way, like 2 Chainz, they follow me. Yeah. Been my own lane, my own way, can't follow me. Told them make a post to see me, I won't even talk to me. They weren't feeling it, went up and that's not they was calling me. They act like they with you, but they low key hate. Since G my day one switched up by the chain, that shit be crazy. Never question God, we been tripping lately. Like how you take my dog for nothing, he just had a baby. Grab a clip, gon' step on shit. Try my best to keep the peace, but fuck it, everybody hit. Start some shit with me, I finish. I been like that since G, fully automatic. Hold it steady, watch that little bitch bleed. Walk tied down, only gotta speed. These hoes gon' eat, cause I'm on fire now. Hot cold on.
Rambo, you better wash this car. Yeah.
Mike down. No, I'm from that east side of the ville, we get paper, bitch. Stitching on the nails with the long hair, I don't do no basic, bitch. She want me to put her in Chanel, but she a lazy bitch. I can't